Did you hear about the piano player that took a vacation? Yeah, he went to the Keys. Well, how about the printer that loved rock and roll? It was always jamming.
Okay, how about, what was Beethoven's favorite fruit?
Oh, because of the potassium, right?
Yeah, sure.
So many health benefits. No wonder he found bananas so appealing.
It's been 3 hours and there's no electric mayhem. Oh, it makes me so mad I could just... Yeah, me too!
Hey, Foz, how you doing, baby?
Hey, whoa. You think you're on, pal?
Since the band hasn't showed up, I figured I'd pop back into the VIP area, the famous people.
Excuse me. Here you go, Scooter. There you go, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh! Hey, Giants Dave. Oh! Hey, that's a full house in there tonight.
That's funny.
Yeah. You got a pass?
Yes. It's like, if I have my ID, there you go. My name should be on this. Stamos.
Yeah, no, I'm not sure that's going to change.
Well, it's not the most recent picture.
Well, the hair is completely different.
But it still looks good, right?
The Electric Mayhem are still no shows to their own concert. I respect a dramatic entrance. I respect being fashionably looked. I respect looking a moment. Oh no! Do I respect the Electric Mayhem?
Okay, we are live streaming from Backstage.
You don't know where they are. The Electric Mayhem should have been here hours ago. Did you check the venue? Did you look under the seats, though?
Check under the seats.
Hi, Mr. Kermit.
Oh, hey there, just a second. We're having a bit of a situation here.
Passenger seat clear.
Mr. Kermit, we're live.
Oh, we're live.
Seat clear.
We're live. Okay, hi-ho there, everyone. We're backstage at the Electric Mayhem concert, and so excited for everyone to...
Seat. Clear. Where's the check the trunk?
Yes, please check everything. Just there you go. That's great. You know what? I'm gonna get back to the concert, which is definitely happening. It's gonna be a great show.
Kermit?
Oh, did you find the band?
No, but I lost my keys. Have you? Yeah, let me check on the band.
Yeah, check on the band.
This is a Muppet News Flash, live backstage with the ardent admirers of the Electric Mayhem's lead guitarist Janice, the Jam Fans. Are you excited for the concert? Is it true that the band still hasn't arrived? Well, are you worried at all?
Hey, Penguin, how's that sound? Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert? We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening?
Big bomb. Scooter?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Gonzo?
Great crowd. They love my stall tactics. They can't get enough. I'm going back in. Here I come, girls. I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
What about all of them?
How we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? Dude, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
I didn't realize they could be different.
Back alley to load up. Enjoy the show. Okay, we're off to the concert. See you later. Have fun. Rock on.
He works the original.
All there screaming? No, from having to listen to the Muppets. That's what my haters do.